All right, so we're on the final leg of the geothermal system at Yale Acres. Sir Charles is preparing the manifolds for the final stem fuse with the ball valve, which is seen. All 5 ball valves are being placed, one on each side of the river, the supply and the return. 1 valve, 2 valves, 3 valves, 4 valves, 5 valves. We've got St. Gabe fusing the final valve. The idea is to give heat to the surface of the socket for about 13 to 15 seconds. We allow Sir Charles to put the stem.
Go back a little back.
You go back from there.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's front, back, it's aligned. Left, right, it's aligned. All right, so we're looking at the manifold with the stems and the ball valves which lead into the system upstairs. This manifold with St. Gabe and Sir Charles. Is complete. The final details will be the tightening of the system with the pressure stems on the air separator, and off we are.